How's it going, meatheads? Back at it for another video. I haven't really explored around Baltic much, and I said I was going to do it in the last video that I made, but we're going to go explore around and see what kind of rich people we can bother with my loud bike. Oh, let's down that way. Let's there. Ooh. It's a golf? No, it's just a park. Okay, interesting. I saw it, dude. Oh man, look at these houses. It's my favorite sound too when you roll off the throttle. I know Blockhead calls it the purgle. I don't really get it like as a purgle sound. It's like, oh, she was not happy about me. Oh, that was funny because she just had that like, At least kids love motorcycles, right? Ew. Howdy, sir. And this is the kind of reactions I kind of expected to get while rolling through a richer part of the town on a loud-ass Harley. Another Harley. That looks like that Ford is leaking oil too in the front there. Ooh, that's a hoarder house if I've ever seen one. Oh, this actually is not very glitzy and glammy right here. You guys probably can't hear me worth shit if I have the visor open, so I'll just suffer along. And you guys are touring around my little town now. Ooh, what's under the hood? It looks like it's, or under the cloak. I bet it's a Corvette. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's a 4th gen Corvette. Which is sad that I can tell that just by the wheels. Oh, look at that big boof. Oh, hi. Oh, aren't you just the cutest son of a bitch? Oh, that's a nice Cobra Mustang. I can dig it. I can dig it. I'm creeping. People, don't you judge. Granted, I can't, nobody can really judge me because everybody in this town seems to have driven by our house really slow and kind of like, hey, somebody move into the house? Oh, son of a bitch, the old bat that lived there, I wasn't sure if they were ever going to sell that house after that. You know? Oh, I know where I'm at now. Maybe they're more or less giving me looks because I got a camera on my face. You know, that's probably it. I'd love to hop the bike and go on some of those paths sometimes. Just, oh, let's go straight through this rich people neighborhood. See who I can. Ah! Tight jeans plus big bike equals big problems. Rule number 1, kids: if you don't want kids, wear tight jeans. Kills your sperm. Less potent. Oh, that's actually a really nice house. I like it. Oh, they got a. Or is it a townhome? No, it might be a townhome. That's cool. Oh God. You know, these aren't quite as. Oh, hi, boofs. Hi. Okay, that is actually a really nice house, and I would be jealous to have. I'm jealous. That's really nice. That's about the only thing that. It's the 4th of July weekend, guys. Is that the school over there? Hey, can I cut through here to go towards my house? Kind of looks like it. Baltic High School. Not a huge high school, but you know, that's the kind of high school you want to go to, where at least the teachers will know your name when you graduate, you know. Oh, they actually do catch fish out of there. To be honest, I thought that they were just wasting their time, thinking that they were actually going to catch fish out of there, and they never did. I like my loud Harley, it makes a lot of noise. When I get too loud, people start to, I don't fucking know. Just stop the jingle right there where I was really happy. It was, oh, I like my Harley, it makes a lot of noise. That's how you do it. I like my Harley, it makes a lot of noise. Ah! Squeezy. God, I almost need a whole new suspension just for these roads, these streets. Oh God. There's a guy over here that's got, oh there he is, that's the Mustang house. See, it really sucks being the poorest person in your neighborhood, because everybody else here's got like 4 cars and they got side-by-sides and shit, and here I am with, well, I got the truck and I got this, and then we got her car, but I mean, much after that, we got nothing in comparison. What's that? Well, guys, that's another video of me fucking around. This time around town, being a goober. But I'll let you guys go. I gotta get ready for work tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be riding into work, but until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. And I'll catch you later.